So hi guys, today we will be solving best time to buy and sell stock from Leetcode. So let's understand what the problem statement says us. You are given an array with price where price of I is the price of a given stock at I day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choose a different day in the future to sell the stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return zero. So let's brainstorm what the problem statement defines. So we'll start with our solutioning part. We have this list where uh, 7 represent the stock price at day 1 represent stock price as day 2, 5 represent stock price as day 3, and so on. Now what we want to do, we want to get the maximum number of profit we can retrieve from this list. Okay, so assuming we will be buying the stock at day 1, which is 7, and considering the profit is 0. Okay, so we can't buy or sell the stock at the same day. So let's move with the day 2. Here in day 2 we have the stock price is 1. Now if we sell the stock at day 2, which is 1, we will have the profit of -6. So we will not uh, sell the stock, but we will replace our buy variable as 1, which means we have move our pointer to day 2, which is the minimum as compared to previous day. Okay, so here we will be having a check where we will be checking whether the previous stock that we have iterated has the maximum value or not. If yes, then we will be moving our pointer. Okay, now let's compare this. If we buy a stock at day 2 and sell our stock at day 5, what will be our profit? So the profit will be 4. Okay, so we will get the maximum number between 0 and 4. The 4 is the maximum number. Okay, the difference is 4. Now we'll check the same with the next, the fourth day, 3. Now we compare, if we get the profit between 3 minus 1, the profit will be 2, which is comparatively low is compared to previous day. Okay, so we will not update the profit. Now we will check with day 5. Okay, on day 5 the profit is 6. If we compare minus the buying price, then we will get 5. So as compared to the profit with respect to day 5, uh, the profit is much more as compared to day 3 profit. Okay, so we will replace it with 5. So 6 minus 1 is 5, so the total profit is 5. Now as compared to next, which is day last day on in the list, which is 4, we will get 3. 3 is less than the profit that we have mapped earlier, so it will be skipped. Hence we got the profit of total 5. Now let's start with the coding part. As we can see here, so we will first initiate our profit variable as 0. We will set a uh, initial buy buying price equals to price of day 1, which will be 7 in our case. Now we will iterate. Now we will iterate in the range of 1 to length of price. Okay, so why 1? Because the first day we have already mapped with the buying price. Okay. Now what we want to check here? If we want to check whether the buying price is greater than the current price. Okay, the current price is price of 5. If it is greater, what we have done over here, we have replaced the buying price to the current price. So we will be replacing the buying price to the current price. Right? Now what? Now we want to get the profit over here. How we will get? We will identify what is the current value, and we will get the maximum between these two values. So we will check whether the profit has a maximum, or the difference between the current price minus buy price is maximum. If the profit is maximum, then we will have the profit in this variable. Otherwise, the maximum difference price will be uh, assigned to this variable. Okay. Once the iteration is completed, we will return the profit. Now let's run this code. So as we can see, our both the test cases has been executed successfully. Now we will submit and check with other records, test cases. Yeah. So all the test cases has been successfully passed. Yeah.